Oils and fats are the most common problem for blocking a sink. What happens is that the fat congeals in the cold water and it clogs up and expands. Rice, potato, anything like that will clog up and expand. What you should do is clear all your food waste into the bin. The washing up area is for what it says, it's for washing up, not for food waste. What you need to do when your sink is blocked is get your plunger, put it over the hole in the sink, not to forget to cover the hole of the overflow, because as you pump the air will come out the overflow, so you want to stop that. So what you do, you cover the overflow, hold that tightly and force the air down, clearing the blockage. It might take a few goes, but let's see. Success. Never, on any circumstances, use chemicals in a sink. They are dangerous and they will harm your skin, and also they will harm your unit, so never use them.